Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having issues with the services startup typing grayed out on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The services startup type can become grayed out when a user tries to disable or enable a service on a Windows PC. This issue is caused if the service is system protected or if the user lacked the administrative privilege necessary to modify the startup type within the Windows Services app. And then I will present the best solutions to ensure you can fix this issue. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix dahil grayed out itong kanyang startup type at makikita mo dito na hindi pwedeng i-modify ito. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. And then dito sa services local ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung mga hindi pwedeng i-modify. Okay, so for example, select lang natin tong client license service. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so ipapakita ko muna sa inyo. So, double click ka lang. Ayan. So, lalabas itong kanyang properties. And then dito sa kanyang startup type, so grayed out po siya. Hindi siya pwedeng i-modify. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is, dito sa service status, i-click mo lang tong start. And then wait natin. Ayan. And then next, click mo lang dito yung stop and then wait natin. Okay, so after dito ay close lang natin. So click mo lang dito yung OK and then close. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na smc /scan now. So in all is monitor lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang siya. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix services startup type grayed out on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.